A warm welcome to everyone. Myself, Tanya S. from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence. I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Mangaluru. So the subject is Digital Design and Computer Organization. The topic is Introduction to Performance Measurement and Spec Equation. So, what is performance measurement? So, performance measurement is a crucial aspect of evaluating and improving business operations by systematically tracking and assessing various performance metrics. Organization can identify strengths and weaknesses, make informed decisions, and optimize resource allocation. So, importance of performance measurement in business. Strategic planning, resource allocation, performance improvement. So these three are the very important business purpose of performance management. So in strategic planning, performance measurement provides valuable insights for strategic planning. It helps business align their objectives, identify areas for improvement, and track progress towards goals. So in resource allocation, it assists in optimizing resource allocation by highlighting areas that need additional support or investment while identifying inefficient processes that require attention. So in performance improvement, by systematically measuring performance, businesses can drive continuous improvement, enhance operational efficiency, and foster a culture of accountability and high performance. So the next one is overview of spec equation. So what is spec equation? The spec equation is a standardized method of measuring the performance of a computer systems. It stands for Standard Performance Evaluation Corporation and is widely used in the industry to assess hardware and software performance. So what is the criteria of this spec equation? It encompasses various criteria including application types, data sets, and system price. So these criteria are taken into an account when evaluating system performance and are crucial for benchmarking purposes. So the next one is usability. The spec equation provides a standardized and objective way to compare the performance of different computer systems, ensuring fair and accurate evaluations across the industry. The next one is components of spec equation. There are three types of, there are mainly three components of spec equation. Those are application types, data sets, and system price. So in application types, different types of applications are categorized and evaluated based on their performance requirements and computational complexity. So in data sets, various data sets are utilized to stimulate real world scenarios and assess the system's capabilities in handling diverse workloads. In system price, the cost effectiveness and market competitiveness of system are considered to provide a comprehensive evaluation of its performance across the price ranges. Next is how to calculate the spec equation. There are three steps to calculate the spec equation. They are input parameters, performance testing, and evaluation and analysis. So in input parameters, gather and input the specific parameters required for the type of systems and applications being evaluated. So in performance testing, conduct rigorous performance testing to gather data and metrics for the computation of this spec equation. In evaluation and analysis, in the third step, analyze the test results and compute the spec equation to quantify the system's performance accurately. The next one is interpreting the spec equation results. Performance benchmark. When compared against standards metrics, the spec equation results provide a benchmark for evaluating the system performance objectively, identifying weaknesses. So the evaluation helps in pinpointing specific areas where the system may be underperforming and requires optimization. Next one is optimization strategies. Based on the results, organizations can devise targeted strategies for system optimization and enhancement, ensuring maximum efficiency and productivity. Next is limitations of spec equation. There are three main limitations. Those are complexity, application variability, and technological advancements. So in complexity, the spec equation may oversimplify certain performance aspects, leading to a lack of granularity in an evaluation process. In application variability, it may not fully capture the diverse performance requirements of all the applications and computing scenarios, this leading to the potential inaccuracies. So, in technological advancements, rapid technology advancements may render certain performance metrics included in the spec equation outdated or insufficient for a modern systems. Next is best practices for using the spec equation. One is standardized testing environments, second is regular updates, and third one is integrate feedback. So in first step, ensure consistent and standardized testing environments to maintain the accuracy and reliability of the spec equation results. So in the second step, periodically update the spec equation parameters to align with the latest software and hardware advancements for the precise evaluations. So in the third part, encourage user feedback and industry collaboration to enhance the relevance and effectiveness of a spec equation. Next, the case studies and examples of spec equation application. So here are some case studies. One is ABC Corporation. So we are taking as an example. So we are not mentioning the corporation name here. So some ABC Corporation improvement of server performances, 20% of increase in throughput. So the challenge is to improve the server performances and the outcome is 20% increase in the throughput. Next is like XYZ Tech, where comparison of virtualization platforms is the challenge and the outcome is identification of optimal platform for a workload. The next one is 123 enterprises. So the challenge is assessment of application efficiency. The outcome is reduction in processing time by 15%. The last one is conclusion and the key takeaways. First one is objective evaluation. The spec equation offers a standardized and objective approach to evaluating computer systems performance, enabling fair comparisons and informed decisions. Next is continuous improvement. So by leveraging the spec equation, organization can drive continuous improvement, optimize resource allocation, and enhance overall operational efficiency. The third one is adaptation to advancements. So regular refinements and adaptations of spec equations are essential to align with evolving technology landscapes and ensure relevance. So thank you one and all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to giving me to explain you guys about this topic. Thank you one and all.